So hello everyone, welcome to the another video. So today is Sunday, and again we are going to do some fun. And not only me, but we have Samir, Rizwan, Abdul Ghani, and Afan are coming, and we are thinking to do some matches as well, like team matches two v two, and we have a plan to do some breakfast after that. So I will keep you updated, and let's go to Rizwan's home, then Afan's, then we will head to Gama Stadium. So let's go. So we are here at Gama Stadium with a lot of friends. Like you can see Abdul Ghani, Sami, Rizwan, and Affan as well. Right now, again we will do some cinematic shots. So yeah, let's start. These my dads make it hurt. So we just completed our basketball session, and now we are here. We are doing some breakfast. Now we are waiting for some breakfast, and then we will head to his go home, and then we will discuss something, and then we will go at our home.